Replacing ink cartridges in the HP OfficeJet Pro is a mercifully simple process, and you don't even need to navigate through menus to get it started. Instead, what we're going to do is open up the printer and just gain access to the ink cartridges immediately. Now, you want to be going below the scanner bed, which you can see here. You're going to be lifting the unit. What there is recesses on the left and right hand side. My fingers are in right now. Get them in there, lift it up gently. You see, we can go lower than that scanner bed. Take it back far enough, it'll stay up. And once the printer has realised what's going on, it'll slide the ink cartridge cradle over into this position where it's got the colours marked on the backing plastic here, allowing you to get to the ink cartridges. Now, just take out whichever ink cartridge you need to replace. Just down here where my thumb is, there's like a little plastic tab, push that in, it releases the cartridge, and you can whip them out. Take your replacement cartridge, and if you're using a fresh one, you'll probably find that there are pull tabs which need removing from the cartridge, and maybe even like a little plastic clamp over the bottom. If you have both of those, I would recommend taking the pull tab off first, because that quite often breaks a vacuum in the cartridge, pulls the ink into the sponge, and will stop ink dripping out when you take off the bit at the bottom. But once all your packaging's removed, put them in front first, and then you push down the bit that clicks in last. You hear that little noise. He's in place and should be sat flush with the rest of the cartridges, so you know you're good to go. Then you can just lower down the scanner and scanner bed again, and your printer will take a look at the cartridge, making sure it's happy with what it's got there. If you do get any warnings that you're not using HP original cartridges, there's nothing too devious with this machine. You can just click through and away you go. But that's about all there is to see here. If you found this video useful, please do let us know with a like. If there's anything else we can help with, please do let us know down in the comments. Otherwise, thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time. Take care. Bye bye.